Oh, didn't see you there. One thing that I was doing this morning was just, like I do every morning, scrolling on Pinterest. And you know what I've been seeing on my Pinterest For You page lately? Summer hair. And not just summer hair, but these hairstyles that look like they could take literally 2 seconds to do, and they just look gorgeous. So I'm gonna do 2 or 3 hairstyles today. The first one I'm gonna do is just these cute little bubble braids. My hair's not very long, so I don't know how it's actually gonna look. The first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my hair because straight hair sucks for summer. We want some texture, and my hair is naturally straight, so I never have texture, so I fake it. Let's go do it. Welcome to the curling tutorial. First, iron. Next, hair. Then, curl. That was my Arnold Schwarzenegger impression. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Some kid just screamed outside, and I thought that was my cat. I was so worried for him. I was like listening so intently. But not my problem, not my kid. Don't have any kids, so. I really don't have a method when I'm curling it. Like, look how big this piece is. It's just as big as you kind of want it to be. I'm just going for messy loose, just so it has some movement in it. I think that's one full side done. Like, that took no time. I love it. Ow. I almost burnt myself while filming this. Bridgerton season 3 has just dropped, but I don't know if I want to start watching it yet because part 2 isn't up yet. Okay, I'm lying. I know I'm going to start watching it. I'm so excited. I used to curl my hair with a curling wand, but honestly, that takes up so much time. Once you learn to master a curling iron, you will never go back. I'm actually kind of sad because these look really cute, but I'm gonna brush them out just to give me some of that texture. And then you can see that it just gives you that effortless, like, wavy look. Why do I like my hair like this? I don't even need to do any of these hairstyles. This is just cute on its own. So the first one is just 2 like bubble braids on the side. I don't know what I want to do in the back. Sometimes I want to do a straight parting. Sometimes I want to do more of a messy parting. I think I'm going to try and do more of a zigzag parting because we all know I'm not going to get it straight anyways. We go here, and we just messily take it apart. Hopefully that's zigzaggy, but at the end of the day, I don't overly care. And then I'm going to take these little rubber bands, stick it on my finger like this, and we're going to take this. This is such an easy tutorial. I don't even know why I'm really showing you, but we're just going to do a little pigtail on each side. The hardest part for me is making sure that they're at the same place. That's similar enough. Even this is cute. We're gonna take another one. Set it here, and I'm just gonna pull this apart a little bit, just to make it more of that little bump. And then this one, again, we're gonna pull it apart. I think I can only do about 2 because my hair is not that long. Pull it apart a little, make sure they're somewhat even. And then I'm gonna pull out some of these little face framers. Why do I really like these? I'm not a big pigtail wearer, but this is like kind of changing my mind. What does it look like from the back? I know it would be cuter if my hair was longer, but it's not longer, so I have to kind of rock with this. Okay, this next one, we're just gonna do these 2 little braids around my face. So I'm gonna get this hair out of the way for right now. Oh, that is not Pinterest approved. And then we're just gonna take this section and this section. These are teeny. Like, how am I supposed to do this? I think I need bigger sections. Okay, and then let's try braiding it. I hope that these bad boys will stay in. I figure if we do them small enough and tight enough, they will. You never know with braids. One of my coworkers actually did a style similar to this the other day, and she looks so cute. See, is this a look? Like, having these little baby hairs out? Maybe I could just gel them. That wouldn't be a bad idea. This is like reefing all my baby hairs right here. Okay, then we're gonna try this side. This is a lot harder to do with bangs than I thought it would be, honestly. Okay, this is only gonna go so far. Oof. This just might be because I literally have bangs, but I don't think this one is a winner for me. It's not working. It's like a little bug. Like, if I could find some way to put them up, then I would look like a ladybug. Okay, we're gonna take these out because this is bad. What if we left the bang out of it? Let's try modifying it. So now I'm just taking one from a little further back, right behind my bangs, and then we'll braid it down to about here, about to my chin-ish. That's cute. And then I'm gonna go right behind my bang on this side. I feel like I'm liking this one better already. Okay, and then again, to around my chin. Okay, so here's my 2 braids now. They actually lay a lot better. And then I was thinking, what if we, you know, stayed true to the similar style and just let them hang down? Like, if I got some bobby pins or something, kind of pin those back. So I'm just gonna take this side, pin it. This might have also been better if I had tried to do a middle part, but my hair just falls where it wants to fall some days. Move this down. Okay guys, this is cuter. If I, from the beginning, knew my bangs weren't gonna work, I would have just done this. And this one will be really good for actually keeping the hair out of your face. Every summer hairstyle that I do see on Pinterest though does have a random braid in it somewhere, which is kind of funny to me because I always think that summer is the time where you just throw up your hair. But then by putting that random braid in it, like those gals are putting in the effort. They know. And then the last one that we're gonna do, we're gonna try and just do a little like top knot thing. When I was in high school, the girls would rock this all the time. So we're gonna take it about half up on your head. I'm gonna brush it back, starting at kind of my crown. Because I don't mind if my part is in it, but I don't want it to be too strong. So I'm gonna take it in my hands and just wrap it around a few times. Put it like that somehow. Kind of pull it apart, and then I'm gonna pull apart the top up here. I'm not hating it. You're talking with your friends, you're relaxing. Like, this is actually kind of cute. This would be cute if I had like little butterfly clips. Ooh, I'm gonna go see if I can find some stuff. I have like these, they're just like little nude ones. If you had like cute and colorful ones, I'm just gonna show you like the vision. And they might even have to be a little bit smaller than this. Okay, so my camera cut out when I was recording, which I think is pretty rude. And I was already midway through taking this out. So we're gonna redo that. Like I said, we're showing you the vision of what the butterfly clips will look like. If you're gonna rock this hairstyle, you're getting the colorful ones because they will look way cuter than what I'm doing. Sometimes the longer I look at something, the more I'm like, okay, that looks good. Okay, so this, stay with me. It's having these little butterflies all over your scalp. Okay, sitting directly in the sunlight is making me hot. I do not like it. I'm gonna take these out. Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna stop here because, I mean, you can't beat perfection. You can beat perfection because I'm not perfection, but I'd like to think I am sometimes. If you guys liked any of them, let me know. If you hated them, let me know. Sometimes maybe I'll watch this back. I'll hate them too. Who knows? Oh, I can hear my cat's jumping at the door trying to get in. Guys, this is like a sneak peek into my life. You get to see me hanging out with my cat. Mr. Whiny. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.